Hi, this is Roland. I would like to give you another brief review of this week. So important this week was that our software support and upgrade licensing is going to be end of life. So the last time you can order these contracts are 23rd of January for another 3 years, and after that they'll be end of life and our perpetual licensing won't be available anymore. The next thing will be Cube licensing I've been asked for. So any call which is going through Cube requires a license, meaning any call that issues like an inbound and an outbound call leg requires a license. Another topic regarding Cube was, can external call control or routing control be used with Cube, like the ENUM protocol, for example? And yes, there are additional options, which are advanced routing with external policy engines via open APIs. I'll put the link for these open APIs in the description, and the E164 pattern map, which uses an external file with thousands of numbers or regex. So we have 3 options which are available for external routing control with the Cube. Then the next thing I wanted to mention was our Webex Teams calling with CallManager has received quite a few features of Java. For example, Extend and Connect has been made available. Dial via Office is there, and multi-line support has been made available as well. We have certain business continuity features which are not available today, which would be like fallback to SRST or using the calling feature in Webex Teams without a cloud connection. Well, this is something which is being looked at the moment. My colleague Dustin released a few interesting videos this week. One of them will be a closer look at the Webex Room Navigator. The other one is the room booking from our Touch 10 or from the Navigator, and a sneak peek to shapes with whiteboarding, like automatically create more precise circles or squares with the whiteboard when you draw them by hand. I was also asked for this week for a deployment or easier deployment of macros and UI controls into our room devices. So there is a so-called CE deploy tool available, which I will link in the description. And with this tool you can do all this. So you can push macros to a single or multiple endpoints, user interface controls, wallpaper, branding, that's all available in this CE deploy tool. After looking into this CE deploy tool, I found a very interesting blog from the same guy, so thank you very much to him in this place. So he also did just a few examples: a busy lamp field outside a meeting room when a call is running, or if somebody is in the room, HDMI switch control from Touch 10, cloud lightning from the Touch 10. So it's a very interesting read. Have a look at the blog. I'll link it in the description. Webex for Governments has been released. Quite interesting. So we have Webex Legislate, which offers features like participant controls, information board, voting, digital clerk controls, and a video lobby to authenticate users before they are joining a meeting. So all quite interesting. And at the same time we have released a virtual courtroom option in Webex as well. So all quite interesting stuff. Then I had another quick look at Webex Edge audio. I really like this feature. It's great because from my point of view it uses existing devices or existing parts of the solution and adds additional value to Webex users. So deployment options there are shown in this picture here. So we have the option to use our existing Expressway CE pairs to connect to the Webex Meetings Cloud directly, so you can call in and call back via Expressway C and D. You can use Expressway E only, but then you need Webex Edge Connect as well, or you can use your third-party SBC. There the testing is in your responsibility, but you can use this third-party SBC. Two important add-ons. So Cube today is not supported to do this, and the second one is, with all these options you always need a CallManager, because there is a Lua script involved in this whole call routing, which is created from the Webex cloud, and therefore CallManager is a requirement, even though there's no need to have phones registered. So you can also have a third-party PBX connected behind. So you need a CallManager or a SME somewhere in the environment. The last thing I wanted to mention, WebexOne, the registration is available now. So this event is going to happen on the 8th and 9th of December, and it's definitely worth participating. So please register. Link is also be found below in the description. So that was it for the past week. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you soon again.